Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to invite friends in Merge Gardens. Inviting friends allows you to play together, help each other and earn extra rewards, making the game even more fun. So let's get started. First of all, launch open Merge Gardens app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page of Merge Gardens, tap on the menu button at the top right corner and then click on Friends. Under Friends tab, you will see the invite button at the bottom left. Tap on the green invite button and you'll then be able to copy your referral invite link on the next page, which you can share it to your friends via chat, email or social media. Once your friend accepts your invite and joins it to the game, you'll be able to successfully add as a friend and you can help each other with merging, gifts and bonuses. So that is how you will be able to invite friends in Merge Gardens. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.